Here I have Peugeot 3000. Let me show you how to accomplish factory reset on the following device, and let me also explain how to do it in all Peugeot cars, because the path and the tutorial is similar to all newer Peugeot vehicles. So at the very beginning, you need to find this home screen. You can find it by using the home button. The home button is located under the screen, usually under the ventilations, and then you can here find the gear icon. So as you can see, the gear icon is the settings. Let's simply tap settings. Under settings, you need to find and select system. Here I have system, and from system you need to scroll down until you see the factory reset. Here I have this option. Let's tap reset all system settings. So if you would like to restore all and return to factory settings, let's just tap reset. And as you can see, the car is restoring, the car is resetting the system. So that's it. As you can see now, you can learn more about the system, you can find out the tutorials, or you can simply skip it, and you can start using your car in a normal way. So that's it for this video. If you have the Peugeot, you can try to do it on your own. As you can see, for example, you've got the information about the games. So some tutorials, some pop-ups should appear on your screen. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up.